So y'all know who it is, it's JJ. You know we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys this advice. So you know we about to head over here to IAA Insurance Auto Auction. So hopefully, you know, I can record. If not, then I'll just give you guys some type of advice. You know, if I can't record. So I know at Copart, you know, they have a sublot. So you know, there's nobody over there. That, you know, out of this insurance auto auction, I don't know if they have a sublot that you can just walk, you know, without anybody. I know Copart does, so I don't really have to worry about, you know, stuff. And you know, I know a lot of auctions really don't want you recording, no way. You know, it's their rules, so you know, just follow people's rules. You know, if they don't want you to do something, you know, that's why y'all see I don't put a lot of people on camera. You know, if the person's on camera, you know, I talk to them before, you know, let them know that I'm recording, so you know that they know they're on camera. You know, I don't. Well, that's why at the auction, like I'm really recording the car and like level down. I don't really try to put too many people's faces in there if I don't have to, you know, because I don't like recording people without their permission. So let's see if they're gonna grant me this permission to do it. If not, then we're gonna just give you guys some advice. So let's head on down to Insurance Auto Auction. You know. Get y'all a good view of it. I see it. Y'all can get a good view of it. Y'all see it. Big old yard back there. Got people picking up cars. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see where you're at on Insurance Auto Auction. So Insurance Auto Auction, this is a public and dealer auction. So if you're public, you can buy cars from here too. I think the membership, I have to get the exact number, but I think the membership is like $300 a year or something like that. Something like that. Some number. I'll get the number. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it, but I think it's something like that if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's open to the public. You know, the insurance auctions, you know they're gonna be damaged cars just like Copart, but their fees are not as high as Copart. So you know, I haven't bought any cars from here, but I plan on doing so. You know, I just been so tied up, so that's why I'm trying to free up my time and schedule. You know, I'm not trying to go to the salvage yard if I don't have to. I'm trying to just be focused on buying cars and putting more cars out there and just getting more cars ready if possible. So let's get in here and see what they say, or see what we can do. So we're walking back here. I was just known that you don't know if you can't record or not, but I know you can't start these cars, so that kind of sucks. So I guess that's probably why most people don't do a walk around here. You can't start them. So but they do, the ones that do run and drive, they are listed on the website. So but let's walk around. I don't know if I can't record, so we'll see. We'll see if somebody stops us or not. I mean, you can't start the cars up, so I don't know what recording will hurt. Detailed. That one all burnt up over here. All burnt up. Don't know if you can record or not, so sorry in advance, because I didn't know. But I know you can't start them up. I know you can look inside them and stuff, but whew, almost hurt myself. Oh man. Oh snaps, hold on, keep walking. Trailblazer. 2004. I think this. At least you can open them and see if the battery's good on them, and then I can always just go back later. Battery's good. I think this is the one that I seen online. 04 Trailblazer. Yep, because the gauges didn't work. This is the one I seen online. Needs a detail. The motor sounded pretty good. Got a Mustang. Sucks though, you can't really start them, so next time I have to make a list of ones that next time I'm gonna make a list of the ones that's running, So then when I walk back here, I can come back here and look at them up close and see what kind of damage and stuff that they got. They have up close in person. But let's keep walking. Malibu, a little wrecked up. What's the number on this one? Batteries up. Check this one out later. What is this? 2012 Malibu totaled. It's really not that bad. Hood's a little bent, but you could probably fix it. You could probably get that straightened up. Hood's a little bent up. Radiator support's not messed up. So you need a hood, front bumper, headlight. That ain't too bad. Let's keep walking. Keep walking. And they got a Jeep Gladiator. It's got to at least be a 2020. I think they didn't make. I mean, it's a 2021, so somebody just got this one and already in the insurance. Toe up from the flow up. Whew, man. Oof. That was rough. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. We out here. We got these whips out here. I guess it don't hurt nothing to just walk around and record because you're not starting anything. So, and they got all the cars back here. They got a lot of cars. Look at that. Rows and rows of cars. So I need to do not detail. So do they detail them? So do they? What was saying detail? Or what does detail mean? Do not detail. I don't know. I don't know what they mean by that. And I'm gonna have to figure that out too. And they got one on a wooden block. That's a strong piece of wood right there. Look at that. Challengers. They got everything in here. Whew. Ripped through. Man. I always wanted a Scion TC. Nice, always nice looking cars. Whew, man, getting mud on the kicks, man. Chrysler 300s. I like that blue. What y'all think? Y'all like that blue on there? I like that. What else we got? Whew, my car right here. My dream car. Porsche Panamera. My dream car. My dream car. If I'm gonna get any car, it's gonna be this thing right here. This is gonna be one of them cars that I get. This one all wrecked up. I ain't messing with this one. But if I'm definitely, I'm gonna let y'all know now, I'm definitely buying me a wrecked Porsche or something that I'm gonna get for cheap. I'm gonna buy one that's wrecked, or like not wrecked as bad as that one, you know, but I'm gonna buy one that needs some body work or something. I'm buying one like that, you know. I'm gonna buy one like that, and so I can get it for the low and fix it up, especially if it ain't too much to fix. So, but that's my car. I'm buying one. I don't care if it's a rebuild, salvage title. I don't care about none of that because it's gonna be my personal car. So when I'm buying a car for myself personally, I don't care about a rebuild, salvaged, or any of that. If I'm selling it, then yes, I care somewhat, you know. But if I'm like, you know, because sometimes, you know, you can buy a car, rebuild, salvage title. A lot of times people don't worry. Most people want clean title. But me, if I'm buying, like for myself, if I'm buying something for myself, it's gonna be a rebuild, salvage title from here on. I'm getting discounted cars from now on to buy for myself that I plan on keeping for myself. Let's keep walking though. Damage. What's this? State Farm 2007 Cobalt. Let's see. Battery up. Needs a detail. Probably go for cheap. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know. Their rear end might be too much to bring back. If I can get it for like $150, you know, I'll take a chance on it, you know. But I don't know. You'll have to see. We're gonna have to see. Maybe we can bring that one back. Trucks. Toyota Camry, Progressive Casualty Insurance. We got a Kia right here. That's too much. Let's see. Radiator support, bumper, hill. Yeah, that's too much work. For a 2009 Rio. Battery's up some. What is that? 70,000 miles? It might not. Look at that thing over again. It's got 70,000 miles. It might not be too much of taking a chance on it, you know. I'm gonna have to go back and look and see if it runs. Got this Camaro right here. Toe up from the flow up. 2019 Camaro. Got a Prius. I want one of those too. Can't beat 50 miles to the gallon. What kind of damage this got on it? A little damage to the back hatch. Well, it's probably pretty expensive to fix. Mercedes-Benz. Impala. Got some rear trunk damage. It's not too bad because that bumper's still good, so you're gonna need a new back bumper. Definitely gonna need a new back bumper. But you know what's hitting the back, so you know it's running. So you know that's my thing. If it's hitting the back, you know it's running. Let's see, battery up. Battery up, so you know it's running. So I have to just go back there and check and make sure it runs. You know, Mercury, turds, junk cars right there. Those right there, junk, 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 junk. No tint. 2007 Jeep Collision Dispatch, Oklahoma City, a couple months ago. Got the 5.0 right there. 5.0 Mustangy. Airbags has been deployed. Dead as a doorknob. Automatic door knobs. Side curtain airbags have been deployed. That's like damage right there. So it's either like hit on this side and all the way up here, like boom. I don't know what y'all think. Do y'all think they got hit from the front, or did they get hit from the rear and come up? Probably the rear and came up. Man, there's so many cars over here, man. I don't think I got enough time in the day, man. So much stuff out here. I don't know. Just security. So security wasn't tripping about me recording. Got a little Honda joint. Ain't bad little dent in there. Stick shift. Let's see. 98 State Farm Insurance. Let's see. Definitely have to do my research. Oh man, good Lord. We walked. That wouldn't make a bad car. Get a better paint job put on there. Yeah, we already know the headlights oxidized. There's a 2002 Nissan. Came from Stillwater. Doesn't say the miles on there though, so they just dispatched and towed that one in this month. Stick shift, needs a radio. You can get a radio. It's old, too much. I don't know. Maybe you can get that fixed. Maybe if you can just get that straightened and buy a new trunk. Might not be bad. Put that on the list. And then you can just get that whole thing painted one time for the one time. Okay, we got the Rave 4. Boom, crushed in on the side. See, I see right there. Got sensors and stuff, backup sensors and rear sensors and stuff. Got a 4Runner. Definitely gonna give me a rebuilt 4Runner one of these days. Got a Monte Carlo right here. What's wrong with the Monte? Rear-ended. A lot of this stuff is rear-ended, so a lot of this stuff runs. You know, a lot of this stuff, like I said, is rear-ended. If it's rear-ended, it was running. It was running. Front end, you know, it might not be running no more. But y'all see it. Y'all see it. It's a lot to walk around here, man. You know, I gotta make sure I make a list next time. Got another 5.0. Got cars up there on the hill that I didn't even check out. Let's look at this Corvette. So I see the Corvette knocked on the side, stuff like that. Big baby Corvette knocked sideways, you know. Knocked in, yeah. You know, when a Corvette get hit, y'all know that's over with. Corvette's total. You know, when they get hit, you got the Challenger with the front grill missing. You got the Hyundai right here. Ain't worried about no little hell things. You know, if we get a spare tire out there, you know, headlight, bumper, get it for a little bit of low, you bring it back to life, you know. Definitely need a paint job. Get a better radio put in there. Paint job put on this thing. Man, it's a lot of cars here, man. But man, I enjoyed this walk around, man. They got a lot of cars out here, man. I have to, what happens is this auction goes on the same day as Oklahoma Auto Exchange, and it runs at the same time. So it's like, it's hard to be at two places at once. So now I'm gonna have to start doing my research ahead of time. So now Tuesdays, I'm gonna have to go on my computer, you know, sit down, go on my computer, get a list of cars that I want to check out. I'm gonna have to write it down. You know, I'm gonna have to write it down, come out here, look at them, see how much damage they got actually in person. You know, on the computer you're gonna see stuff, but you know, you can't really see as much on the computer as you can see up close. So I need to go do that better research. Then I can, you know, I write down the ones that run. And, you know, I can come out here and assess the damage, and then I can go from there. But you know, but I'm gonna definitely do more walkarounds, and I'm gonna show you the ones that I actually interested in buying. You know, the ones that actually run. You know, and I'll also walk out here because I know it's gonna be some nice cars out here all the time. You know, like the Jeep Gladiator. You know, that's something new that you don't see too often. I mean, it wasn't in nice shape, but it's a nice vehicle. You know. But once again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. That other side, those are the ones that they're getting ready to stock in. So it's only these two sides. There's a lot of cars in these two sides. So definitely gonna be back out here again. And I'm gonna definitely show y'all the car that I'm interested in buying. And I want y'all to, when I show y'all next time that I'm out here, the ones that I'm interested in buying, I want y'all to let me know on what I should pay for them and what y'all think of the overall damage. But once again, appreciate you guys. I'm out. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. The grind don't stop. The grind don't stop. The grind don't stop. Grinding. Keep grinding. The grind don't stop. It just starts over and again. So let's go. Probably what I'm about to do is I actually need to go home right now. Or no, I'll go back to the office right quick and go look at some cars and try to at least bid on one. I'll try to at least buy one car from here tomorrow. So like again, appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm out. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.